आनी नॉट नाव पयलो आमचो एजेंडा करता आनी मागीर जेन्ना सजेशन्स आहा पळय तेन्ना तुमचो हात वयर उबारचो आनी एकट्यानूच सगळे इश्यू उलोवपाक दुसऱ्यांकूय चान्स दिवचे बिकॉज लेट अस हॅव दीस pandemic Gram Sabha in a nice way and a quick way. And I expect cooperation from everybody. We don't need to be restless or anything. We can have it smoothly. So we'll read and confirm the meetings of the last Gram Sabha.
The ordinary Gram Sabha meeting of Village Panchayat Talegaon for month of January 2020 is called today at the old Panchayat Hall, Kasdikowa, that is 16 to 2020, Sunday at 10 a.m. at the request of Sarpanch Agnel Dikuna to transact the agenda as per notice. The agenda of the meeting as follows: to read and confirm the proceeding of the ordinary Gram Sabha meeting held on 16/10/2019 and its compliance, to discuss on proposal, suggestion if any received from members of the Gram Sabha on developmental works, to discuss on the estimates for annual budget for the year 2021, any other subject with the permission of the chair. The following members of the Gram Sabha who have signed below were present: 1, 2, 75. As there was quorum for the Gram Sabha meeting, the same was adjourned for half an hour and started at 10:45 in the old Panchayat Hall, Kasdikowa, under the chairmanship of Sarpanch Agnel Dikuna. The secretary read out in detail the minutes of the proceeding of the ordinary Gram Sabha meeting held on 16/10/2019 and its compliance, and after discussing it in detail, the member of the Gram Sabha, Xavier Almeida, asked the status of action of release of sludge in the Sant Ines Creek by PWD sewage plant, and on account of sludge the creek is destroyed, and during the rainy season the creek gets flooded, and on account flooding the farmers of Talegaon are put to hardship and loss of agriculture, and requested the Panchayat to take action on priority. And the Sarpanch informed the Panchayat had taken up the matter with the sewerage department, PWD, and again the Panchayat will follow up the matter and see that the sludge problem is removed on action by the PWD. Advocate Pundalik Raikar said that the videography problem is part of the Gram Sabha meeting and it has to be followed. It is a rule and law of the Gram Sabha meeting, and if no videography is conducted during, then the Gram Sabha is illegal and against the law. The rules should be followed for the Gram Sabha meeting. However, the Sarpanch informed that the matter is already forwarded to Director of Panchayat, and the government, as majority of the Gram Sabha members, propose not to have videography as it will lead to future problems and the participation of the Gram Sabha will be affected. But still the Panchayat will follow up the matter with the Director of Panchayat regarding the cattle pond. The Sarpanch informed that the Panchayat is in process of obtaining final technical sanctions for the work of construction of cattle pond. So also the Panchayat is in the process of signing a MOU with the NGO for impounding of cattle, and the minutes were confirmed, approved and passed anonymously. The Sarpanch informed the Panchayat wide notice had requested proposal suggestion from members of the Gram Sabha. However, no proposal suggestions were not received by the Panchayat. However, the Gram Sabha member can prepare or suggest. There was suggestion from Advocate Pundalik Raikar that during drug menace is increasing in the open space next to the church and other public places in the village, and requested to call the PI Panjim police station in the next Gram Sabha. As during the night and early morning, drugs were consumed by the youth by sitting on the parapets, and it should be stopped immediately. The Sarpanch informed that the action through police with taken on top priority, approved and passed anonymously. There was proposal from Advocate Pundalik Raikar that the Panchayat should form the Ward Development Committee, which is a statutory planning at the Panchayat level, and plan should be forwarded to district planning and locals to prepare the village Panchayat to protect the village. The Sarpanch informed that the newly elected Panchayat body will form the Ward Development Committee on priority, approved and passed. There was the members of the Gram Sabha also suggested that the letter issued by town planning regarding rule of Gram Sabha is rejected, and it is not legal, and the Gram Sabha is the supreme to decide the planning process in the village, approved and passed. Vincent Fernandez suggested that the panchayat should take action on repairing of road hot mixing to the main road from Church Cemetery Road leading to Kyaune, which is totally bad in shape. Needs urgent repair. The Sarpanch informed that most of the roads are to be hot mixed. And the work is started at Orchel, Machado Cove and Green Rosary and other roads of Nagali, Kyaune behind church are in process with the government. There was suggestion from Gram Sabha that the horizontal laying of gas lines should be proposed, approved and passed. There was a proposal from Cecilia Rodriguez that a danger-prone zone is offered at the newly laid tiles behind the church near the Asha Mahal, and the panchayat should take action as it is accident zone and danger to life and property. The Sarpanch informed that the action will be taken as the void is due to sewerage chamber, approved and passed. There was suggestion from Cecil Rodriguez for painting of street breakers, painting of zebra crossing and causing accident and danger to life, and panchayat should take action on top priority. There was suggestion from Cecil Rodriguez that the village panchayat should provide hand gloves to the garbage collectors, and the Sarpanch informed that it will be strictly followed by the garbage contractor as despite giving the hand gloves, the laborers are not using the same, approved and passed. There was a proposal from Xavier Almeida that the panchayat should propose to the government agency for desilting of Sant Ines Creek as the raw discharge by PWD STP is killing the river and the plant should be closed, approved and passed. There was proposal of Advocate Pundalik Raikar that the panchayat to do the work of cleaning and desilting of Nalla at Nagali, where a lot of sewage discharge is led by residents of the area has become a breeding ground for mosquito, approved and passed. Resolved by the Gram Sabha to do the work of desilting and cleaning of pond in the field of Kalpana, Kesar, Gaons at Martins Morat field in Ward number 3 in VP Tejwadi passed. Resolved by the panchayat body to the proposal of construction of panchayat ghar with market complex in the acquired land in survey number 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 of Taligaon village. Resolved to approve the same, approved and passed. Sarpanch placed before the proposed budget for the year 2021 before the members of the Gram Sabha on the receipt side. Opening balance, grand total and expenditure side. Opening balance 3 crores 80 lakhs. Mr. Vishal Rauli, acting chairman of the Biodiversity Taligaon, explained to the Gram Sabha members that the action on the biodiversity, the details requested from the farmers, local medical persons having knowledge of medicinal plants in the village and requested to cooperate and help in preparing the PBR register of Taligaon, approved and passed. Resolved to approve the proposal of Namdev Sawant and Manda Sawant for avail of free gas connection scheme. The government approved and passed unanimously. Proposal of widening of roads. It is resolved by the members of the Gram Sabha. The panchayat should do the work of widening of roads as follows. From cemetery leading to Nagali, 10 meter wide, due to existing road not sufficient due to heavy vehicle traffic. Widening of 10 meter road from pumping station Kardos up to Models building in Zilalema Road. Widening of 10 meter road from behind Asha Mahal, Bookworm to Durga Dwarne Oitalem Taligaon, approved and passed. Mr. Xavier Almeida and Pundalik Raikar proposed to congratulate social worker Cecil Rodriguez for the good work carried out in the whole of Goa state and public awareness, approved and passed. It is resolved by the members of the Gram Sabha to the panchayat body to sign AMOU with NGO Dhyan Foundation, members of the Gram Sabha present. Sri Rajesh Naik, VP Secretary, Tiswadi Headquarters, was the observer for the Gram Sabha, which was present for the Gram Sabha from starting till the end of the meeting. The Gram Sabha meeting ended at 12:30 p.m. since there was no business left for the meeting.
Secretary Bob, can you give the status of the cattle pound? Cattle pound, you said the process is on. The status, technical, medical, because it's a long time now, almost more than 3 years. So,
PWD कॅटल पाउंड टेक्निकल सँक्शन घेवचो पडटा. सो 45 लॅक्साचो घेतला. गव्हर्मेंटाक आतां अप्रुवल घातला फॉर NIT घेवपाक अप्रुवलाक धाडचो पडटा ही टेंडरींग करून. सो ते स्टेजीक ऑलरेडी फॉवर्ड केल्लो आसा, येवपाक आसा. बट आतां ही भितर इशू कितें जाला, गार्बेज सायट पळय आमची आसा तेची लँड अजून ट्रान्सफर बिलीज पंचायतीक जावना. तो एक पॉयंट कळ्ळें. तो आमी अप्लाय केला.
It's in the process.
जातली.
Or it is,
लास्ट स्टेजीक जातली.
it is on whose name now the garbage site?
Go ahead.
I'll give you the email ID.
If it was there, we would have been recording.
Mike, and Mike.
Village Panchayata email ID's process is on, but during the last Gram Sabha, you never proposed this. It is every proposal, every suggestion is recorded from the members of the Gram Sabha. कोणाचोच आमी omit करूंक ना. If you had said, we would have recorded it, but since village Panchayat has already prepared the email ID, एक 8 दिसांनी जातली. But your proposal recording, it was never mentioned.
The email ID will be the full process of the Panchayat of e-governance will be ready another month's time completely. It is the online payment will be done, correspondence will be done, payments people can make it from home. We'll record it today. So we'll go ahead with the next agenda. No. Much of the mic, no, see, we are touching sanitization. Master, fan बंद करो तो. See, we are avoiding, one second. See, we are avoiding mics. Let us all understand. आयज हे पेंडेमिकान घेता, फाल्यां तूं म्हाजेर येवपाक नाका. हें घेतलें आनी हें जालें म्हणून. So let us all understand.
Yeah, but when you're giving the mic, give the sanitizer. No, why the sanitizer you use? You can give the sanitizer.
You can, because here we are discussing.
But the people at the back can't.
No, Mashem boss.
Give
I
the
heard you.
sanitizer along with
I
the mic.
heard you. Please see.
Yeah.
See here, Mashem boss. Okay. See, आयज फाल्यां कितें जालें जाल्यार येतलें आमचेर. कोण आसचो हें करपाक, बोटां दाखोवपाक 100 जाण आसतले. No one is there to appreciate the good work. They are there only to criticize. So let us maintain SOPs which we said, बाबा हातीन मायक दिवचो न्हू म्हणून. Okay? Please understand.
Stand.
Yeah.
स्टँडाचं तुवें बरें स्टँडाचं नाव.
And the speaker for the standing.
Please. तुम्ही बसा हिंगा कोण एक नका हॅलो you please sit you can come from there you please sit no you please sit Xavier.
This is called the Gram Sabha Telecom. Take the opposition over here.
See. No, not supposed to. No, Baba, please, you sit. No, you sit. He is not coming here. You sit first. You sit first. No, you sit. Let him talk. Baba, can you sit? He is not inside. No? When he is there, he is outside. No, you go outside. No, you go outside. No, you go. Let him sit. Who was willing? No, please. Akshay, you please sit. No, you please sit. Please. Sit down. You sit down. You sit down. You don't come here. No, you sit there. No, I did not come. Okay. Baba, you're free to do what you want. Please. Please. Please sit. Yeah. Billing, you can go ahead. Billing, you go ahead. You go ahead. I don't want to entertain and disturb anybody when we are talking. Sam. Masuk. Sanitize it. Sanitize it. Uday, just see that the mic is sanitized every time you give it to somebody.
Hello. Last time I pointed out कि ग्राम सभा proceedings assembly compulsory should be recorded. Now आम्ही ऐकलं सेक्रेटरीजीने म्हणलं ते आता की ग्राम सभा resolution घेतला. By the way, there cannot be any resolution taken by anybody, including the government, against the law. Once the law is made by the assembly, it is the law for the land. We are all below the law. We have to all abide by the law. So therefore, there are many like Tivri organs, Gram Panchayat. Their Gram Sabha proceedings are recorded and they are kept, they are documented. So you can ask recordings of a certain Gram Sabha. हांवें सांगिल्लें की रिकॉर्ड कित्याक नाल्यार अशें जाता मागीर. Plus, there is proof of recordings. Sometimes minutes may not be exactly the way they are conducted. Sometimes, I'm not saying genuinely.
But हेजे फुडें केन्ना तुका मेवला आमी तुवें हें केलेलें आमी दुसरें बरयलें नो सो लेट अस हैव फेथ
No, I have full faith in the panchayat, and more importantly, I have full faith in the law. Law says that for Sarpanch, you cannot write to the director panchayat asking for permission. That is illegal communication.
See, if it is
because the gift no,
See, if-
see, I'll tell you one thing.
I'll tell you in short, see, Pundalik, see, don't instigate and don't do anything over
No,
here.
I'm not instigating.
If we are wrong by law, you have a competent authority above us to go to, please go over there.
Okay,
But
fine.
don't instigate things like this.
No, I'm not. Please don't put
Don't come back and
Please do not put words in my mouth. I'm not instigating. These are planted. They are planted to create trouble.
Baba, see, don't make accusation. You are instigating.
You again are saying you have planted. See, you use the word army above law. So for that, my reply to you is there is an authority above us, you can go to them. Yeah?
That means you are not going to record the proceedings.
As of now, we are not proceeding, recording now.
Thank you.
You know that? उदय माइक नहीं देगा माइक नहीं देगा उदय माइक नहीं
एकूच सांगूंक सोदता सरपंच सगळ्यांक चान्स दी उलोवपाक एकल्याकूच न्हू हिंगा सगळे ग्रामसभा येता तेच तरेन सगळ्यांक चान्स दी कित्याक सगळे हिंगा दोग तीग जाण हिंगा ग्रामसभा चलयना सगळ्यांक चान्स दी प्लीज इंटू दॅट
Thank you.
Somebody has to propose it, somebody has to second it. If before corrections, if any have to be performed. So please follow the protocol and later on you can take the action.
Proposed by
I can also
last council.
Prashant Kubalekar. Any member can second it.
Remy.
You second. Secretary Rodriguez is second.
रवि से बोले ऑलरेडी रिटर्न रवि ने
Silva. So I am taking the proposals. Yeah, ma'am.
म्हणून कॉपी जेव्हा कॉपी द्यावं लागेल देदारा सगळ्यांक एक एक गपानम जायचं दिलं मग ये फावट कितें जालें न्हू चान्स नासलो नेक्स्ट टायम कर शुअर करता नेक्स्ट टायम करता नोटीसी वांगडा काडटा तुमकां नोटीस proposed budget for the year 2021 by village panchayat Talegaon. आता कितें जालें ओपनिंग बॅलन्स आमी घेतलो आसा 5 crores 27 lakhs. मागीर village panchayat member salary grant येता 8 lakhs 50,000. Matching grants regular येता 4 lakh 25,000. Then other grants like village panchayat transfer of grants from CCP 10 lakhs. मागीर MNREGS RTA 20 lakhs. Grants for garbage plant 3 crore 50 lakhs. 15 finance 2 crores, Deen Dayal grants 3 crores 50 lakhs, animal husbandry small rescue 30 lakhs, animal husbandry cattle pond 30 lakhs, taxes and fees, house tax 1 crore 87 lakhs 50,000, profession tax 3 lakhs, Signboard tax 1,50,000, garbage tax 90 lakhs, total 2 crores 82 lakhs. Then fees, construction license fee 1 crore 50 lakhs, sanitation 75 lakhs, minor repair fees 3,50,000, certificate fee 3 lakhs, house tax transfer 10 lakhs, registration of unit shops 3 lakhs, RBD fee 1 lakh, market fee 1 lakh, other fees 10 lakhs, proceed of loan 10 lakhs, then sale of tender form 6 lakhs, sale of whole item 25 lakhs, others 8 lakhs 25,000. Extraordinary receipt, EMD deposit 30 lakhs, security deposit 40 lakhs, income tax 15 lakhs, royalty 5 lakhs, GST works 10 lakhs, VP shop rent 3 lakhs, community hall charges 1 crore 20 lakhs, community hall SD 30 lakhs, bank interest 15 lakhs, fine 15 lakhs, recovery to damage to hall 2,50,000, public contribution 10 lakhs, recovery receipt 7 lakhs, contribution to EF fund 3 lakhs, other receipt 15 lakhs, GST inputs 2 lakhs, total receipts 18 crores 82 lakhs. Administration, salaries, elected member salary, telephone bill, Xerox, maintenance of computers, CA, administration total 81 lakhs 20,000, sanitation and public health, disposal of garbage house to house 1 crore, purchase of garbage bins 5 lakhs, disposal of cattle 50,000, disposal of dead bodies of animals 15,000, construction of garbage pit shed 16 lakhs, segregation at plastic at billing site 10 lakhs, daily wage laborers 5 lakhs, JCP at garbage 12 lakhs, erection of lock shed for garbage MRF facilities 30 lakhs, transportation, lifting, disposal of garbage 5 lakhs, garbage treatment plant 3 crores 50 lakhs, animal rescue scheme 45 lakhs, diesel for garbage trucks 8 lakhs, awareness of garbage 5 lakhs, garbage truck drivers 5 lakhs, public works, construction of drain, road, culvert, laying of pavers, RCCs, old building, total 75 lakhs, 1 crore, development of open spaces and gardens 1 crore, purchase of electrical goods 15 lakhs, cutting of uproot trees 6 lakhs, cutting of roadside bushes and trees 10 lakhs, cleaning of road water drains 20 lakhs, 12 lakhs, upkeeping of garden 20 lakhs, RDA works 20 lakhs, petrol for grass cutters 1 lakh, daily wage for grass cutting machine operators 7 lakhs, painting of VP gardens 25 lakhs, VP garden maintenance water 20 lakhs, purchase of garden equipments 20 lakhs, removal of roadside dubbies 4 lakhs, minor works 10 lakhs, extension of street light line with poles 15 lakhs, maintenance of jeep, vehicle and truck 10 lakhs, maintenance of community hall 50 lakhs, construction of soap pits 10 lakhs, cleaning of public places 50 lakhs, hire of JCP machine 10 lakhs, daily wage payment for jeep and truck drivers 7 lakhs, Deen Dayal works 3 crores, hall electric bill 36 lakhs, hall cleaning 8 lakhs, hall supervisor electricity AC 8 lakhs, hall AC repair maintenance 25 lakhs, hall furnishing chairs, security of hall and garbage site 10 lakhs, market repair 12 lakhs, works under 14 finance grants 1 crore 15 lakhs, deweeding of Kamrabad, Nalla, water JCP 15 lakhs, works under 15 finance grants 1 crore. Total 12 crores 26 lakhs, planning and development 1 lakh, social welfare total it is 20 lakhs 25,000, education and culture 12 lakhs, rural housing 1 lakh, drinking water 12 lakhs, libraries newspaper 1 lakh, public sanitation, construction of toilet, maintenance of silop toilet, daily wage laborers and others 29 lakhs. Construction and maintenance of slaughterhouse and cattle pond 50 lakhs. Miscellaneous refund of EMD works 20 lakhs. Refund of security deposit of 20 lakhs. Payment of income tax 10 lakhs. Payment of GST works 10 lakhs. Payment of royalty 2,50,000. Luxury tax 2,50,000. Advertisement notice 3 lakhs. Refund of security deposit of hall 20 lakhs. GST of hall 20 lakhs. Other miscellaneous 10 lakhs. Labor cess on works 10 lakhs. Total 1 crore 28 lakhs. Total expenditure 21 crores 63 lakhs 45,000. Closing balance 2 crores 45 lakhs 55,000. Grand total 24 crores 9 lakhs.
So budget is in front of you all. आयज तुमच्या मुखार हांवें दवरलेलें आसा आनी हें आमी फुडें वता आनी तुमचें कितें आहा जाल्यार सजेशन यू कॅन ऑलवेज गिव इन रायटींग एंड वी कॅन प्रपोज तुमचें कितें सजेशन आहा जाल्यार
Mask and here.
Hello. No. See, there is can be given, but I should thank Mr. Mantra for putting up this all. It's a good facility. It's a good facility for the people. Lokang bare. In the receipt side, you see. Page 2, community hall charges 1.2 crores. Okay? 1.2. Go to expenditure. Maintenance of community hall, it is saying 50 lakhs. Okay? Then hall electric bill, it says 36 lakhs. Then it says hall cleaning 8 lakhs, hall supervision 8 lakhs, and hall AC repair 8 lakhs. Now just count the amount. It comes to 50 plus 71, that is 121, plus 16, that is 170, 121, 129, 139. That is 1.39 crores is the expenditure. You are getting 1.2 crores receipts. Projected receipts are 1.2 crores. And your projected expenditure is 1.39 crores, which is far above. Either there is something wrong with this building, or there is something wrong with the people who are managing the accounts. So take a look at see, either you demolish this building, have a nice building, कित्याक तुम्ही जे पैसे येता पळय तेच्या परस चड मेंटेन करपाक स्पेंड करता. Maintenance of this building is more than what we are receiving. I just want to
See, Pundalik, don't use words like demolish this building and all. This is a budget. If you know the meaning of a budget, please understand this is a budget.
See,
No. Why I am saying this is because of these instigating words of yours. Demolish this building and all. Then it goes wrong.
Okay,
Please.
Let me start with this point. No, I budget means what? Budget म्हणजे कितें? Budget, that means you can spend up to that much. Receipts can go higher, but there is budgeted expenditure, unbudgeted expenditure. We are talking about the budgeted expenditure. That means 1.39 crores is what you can sanction without any problem. That is what the issue is. It's not about tomorrow, maybe you may spend less, but I think it is not that way. Even when the receipts were 43 lakhs, receipts were 43 lakhs, I think the expenditure was around 50 lakhs. I'm talking about some years back. In receipts have gone up, in expenditure has also gone up. I do not see any much happening.
पुंडलीक सांगता कितें जालां न्हू पळय सांगता तुजें प्रोजेक्शन कितें जाता पळय सांगता वाय इट इज आतां हितून भितर मरे एक्सपेंडिचर कितें लागतलें जाणा इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बील क्लिनींग हॉल आनी दॅट एसी कितें तें हे आमी 50 लॅक्साचें कित्याक जालें हॉलाक आतां ऑलमोस्ट 10-50 इयर्स जाले 15 अबाउट 2005 सून बांदलेले इन केस तेका बी कितें मेजर रिपेर येयले दीस इज जस्ट अ प्रोविजन
So therefore it should have been
Provision, no.
for provisional maintenance or whatever
Yeah.
should have been another head.
सी आमचें कितें
So that,
जाता
no. So therefore there should be another head, not a blanket head.
पळय आयज सांगता आमचें बजेटींग आमचें प्लीज पंचायत बजेटींग कशी आसता जाणा तूं प्रोजेक्शन आनी एस्टिमेशन
It is there with every
आतां
project.
पळय कितें जाता फॉर एग्जाम्पल 1 crore रिसीप्ट सायड इज आमी हें केलां कितें सांग रिसीप्ट दाखयलो 1.2 आमचें प्रोजेक्शन कितें हांगासर आमी 10% कमी जावंक शकता 10% सकयल जावंक शकता जाल्यार आतां फिक्स एक्सपेंडिचर ऑन दीस इज ओन्ली ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बील क्लिनींग ऑफ दॅट हॉल क्लिनींग आनी एसी रिपेर मेजर रिपेर ना तेका सो कितें जाता पंचायत आतां लास्ट 5 years कम्युनिटी हॉल इज गोईंग ऑन प्रॉफीट सांगता तुवें आतां मागला तुका जाय जाल्यार रिकॉर्ड येवन चॅक कर आमी
I Bagla to you can place it.
Yeah, see what happened. Amga please panchayat in all these 11 members, secretary and including your corporation, all villagers of this village, they also contribute this आमचे फंक्शनां जाता आनी अकॉर्डिंगली हो इनकम जाता आमचो इनकम ड्रॉप जालो फकत लास्ट टायम कोविडा वखदार कॅन्सील जालो सो आतां पळय आतां 1 पॉयंट कितें आमी केला 10% घडये सुबेज जावंक शकता 10% कमी बट एक्सपेंडिचर आमचो कितें जाता चुकून आतां समज एक कितें नॅशनल कॅलॅमिटी लेपत्री सगळी उगोवन गेली
No, no,
that projection आमचीच मेथड कशी ती
No, so therefore you should have a separate head where
No, but I'm-
disaster relief or maybe whatever it is. You cannot say that 50 lakhs, that means now 50 lakhs you can generally spend.
No.
And 50 lakhs will be spent.
No, but
When the
आमचो
projected receipts are just 120, no budget, see this is therefore a deficit budget. As far as the community hall is
Only we
concerned.
have cleared our doubts with you. तूं आर्ग्युमेंट करपाची गरज ना यू कॅन कम इन
I
जस्टिफाय
don't have to argue, people have to.
No.
लोक ऐकता. ग्राम सभा
Any
members are listening.
other suggestion? Lakshya, please.
One small, regarding the budget point, just a small, 30 seconds. You cannot have a budget exceeding your expenditure exceeding your receipts for a community hall. It's against fundamental accounting. He's absolutely right. This is common sense. This is not it's a budget which you create to be in excess. You might fall short later. Please make a small point about this, have a discussion, understand accounting 101. This is fundamental accounting. This is not rocket science. Please get a CA involved or get somebody senior who understands all this and rework it. This is a very correct suggestion that's made and there's nothing more to it. Why are we arguing about this? Just take a suggestion, work on it, that's it.
see what happened now. Panchayat has powers for revision of budget. Don't misguide and tell anything. See, there are CAs and
Then you're creating a deliberately a wrong budget, which is giving excess expenditure. That's not right. Then you're doing an absolutely wrong thing.
see. What happened? Wait. No. See this, what happened now? This village panchayat budgeting is totally different from other things. You see, this is the last, what you say, you may misguide people, but panchayat last, see, end of the day, March 31st, before March 31st, we can revise and bring estimates and actual to the correct position. See, you see what happened now, opening is there, saving is there. From that saving also you can put that and bring that budget to the normal situation. That is the Panchayat Raj system, preparation of budget. You, sometimes what you are saying that, man, work here, the misguide करता तो अपन है.
Hello. Yeah, I just want to follow up where Pundanik left off, saying that, a question on the receipts and the expenditure. I also feel that there is some discrepancy or something that